What's up, guys? It's Drew Schwab from Drew's Woodworking. I do woodworking on the side. I have a Etsy store that I run and operate. But I want to discuss some other options there are for creating multiple streams of income in 2025, especially with the way the internet works, the way the landscape of this whole our society works nowadays. So one thing that I do is I do a ton of content creation. I do TikToks, I do Facebook Reels, Instagram Reels, but I repurpose all that content using like repurpose.io. I do a ton of different stuff like that to basically get the same content out multiple ways. And sometimes we switch it up. We'll use different hashtags, different stuff like that. But it's really important to grow your business or your brand to be using the social media. Just getting eyes on your product, your brand, different things like that really helps you grow. So yeah, I'm on like Facebook, TikTok, Blue Sky. Oh, there's a million of them. Instagram, Threads, Twitter. I barely use Twitter though. Twitter is not really one of my favorites to use. I kind of like the more like Facebook where there's like a community and stuff. That seems to be a lot more fun. Instagram, I'm growing really, really slow. So I haven't quite cracked the algorithm on that one. I've monetized my Facebook channel, so that's why you guys see a ton of content on my Facebook. That is the one place I upload the most. And then I also am trying to grow my YouTube channel so I get one of those YouTube play buttons. So with that being said, I'm posting at least one short for YouTube a day. And then from YouTube, because I use repurpose.io, the website service, I then take all my content that I upload to YouTube, gets put to 5 or 6 plus different places, different social media apps, without me having to do much work. I spend 20 minutes on a Sunday and I can schedule everything out for a week, and I can get back to making more content, work my full-time job, fulfill Etsy orders, eBay orders. I'm on Shopify as well, TikTok shop. So we got orders coming in from all these different places. So using certain apps to speed up the process of growing other content or just being in multiple places at once really does help. Because like I said, the landscape has changed over the last couple of years with how much social media is impacted our day-to-day lives. Everyone's got a smartphone. Everyone's on their phone a ton. I see my phone each week. I'm on it 30 hours a week or something like that, my phone says. But so yeah, that's kind of what I'm going to be transitioning into. I'm going to start doing more, trying to help other people grow, some more social media content, stuff like that. Trying to expand my knowledge and also pass on the knowledge I've learned, because I've watched so many YouTube videos. I've had a ton of success with Etsy, a ton of failures with Etsy, eBay even. I've had some successes. I've had some failures. I'm still trying to figure out a TikTok shop. I have it. I've gotten a handful of sales, but I'm not good with the public speaking, with the whole talking on camera. So I'm working on all of this, while at the same time I'm working on other stuff. So if you guys see me everywhere, that's kind of why. But next few weeks I'm going to be trying to be on more talking pieces for my content. Because I just did a yard sale, craft show type thing over the weekend. And I got to talking to people, and then I was giving them pointers on how they could run their Etsy store, how to ship things, how to package things, how to do different deals, how to run promos, how to run ads. So I want to go through and start really creating content that I feel can help other people. Because as much as I want to sell $1 million worth of woodwork, I also want to build a brand. I want to build my name and my company and my business at the same time. So I appreciate everyone watching. Look for more content from me. I'll be posting a ton more. They're just going to get better, because right now I'm mumbling and kind of saying a lot. So I appreciate everyone watching. Thank you guys so much. Keep this short. We're just almost at the 4.5 minute mark. So thank you. Make sure you guys subscribe. If you see me on TikTok, Facebook, anywhere, drop a like, drop a comment. I appreciate it all. Thank you guys.